Alexa, turn on the bedroom lamp.
Okay.
Channel 6 if you can. Nothing? Seven?
For the State Park, Logan L. Village.
Is that them?
No, it's KG 86. Your mother's ass. It's Columbus.
I'll hold it.
Motorists should slow down and use extra caution.
No. Nope.
Osgood.
Oh, there it is.
Napoleon, Newhausen, Rexdale, Van Ham, New Area, Friendship, Versailles Lake, Cross Plains, Otter Village in the lead. Flood watch remains at
Had a feeling.
Only got 9 seconds on it.
Wounds 5.
Had a fucking feeling. Here, I got it. I got it. I got the Midas touch.
This man.
Alexa, turn on the bedroom lamp.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, Union County, Indiana, southern Preble County, Butler County, southwestern Montgomery County until 2:45 p.m. At 2:00 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Liberty, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Middletown, Fairfield, Oxford, Monroe, Trenton, Liberty, Camden, Gladys, 7 Mile, West College Corner, Williamsdale, Beartown, Salem, Germantown, Riley, New Miami, Farmersville, Brownsville, and Millville. Here is a hazardous weather outlook.
Cincy! Alexa, turn on the bedroom lamp.
Alexa, bedroom lamp.
Northwest lane.
Alexa, turn on the bedroom lamp.
60%. Tonight,
I hear it.
Canton County, Boone County, Campbell County, Grant County, North Central Owen County, Central Pendleton County, Gallatin County, Claremont County, Hamilton County, Northwestern Brown County, until 3:30 p.m.
Large warning.
At 2:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Fort Wayne Township to near Rising Sun to near Beatty, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts possible.
What?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Covington, Florence, Independence, Norwood, Forest Park, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Sharonville, mile markers 4 and 19. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 151 and 191. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 17. Flood what?
Jeez. Oh, now what?
The fuck was that, bro?
Ohio State Highway Patrol.
Look at that. Me and this bitch over here are just waiting. Yup! Fucking... Butler, Clinton, and Warren.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Butler County, northeastern Claremont County, Warren County, Clinton County, west central Highland County until 3:45 p.m. At 2:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over 4 bridges, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Best storm near Weatherington.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Middletown, Fairfield, Mason, Lebanon, Springboro, Sharonville, Wilmington, Monroe, Loveland, Trenton, Franklin, Springdale, Carlisle, Lancaster, South
mom's
Middletown,
under that.
Westchester,
She's in
Waynesville,
Carlisle.
Sabina, Morrow, and Hunter. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 20 and 56.
Wow.
I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 18 and 40. Here is a hazard.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yes!
Are you fucking kidding me? Wait, Brown County.
Yeah,
Wait,
that'll set off WLW. Yes.
will that get? Can we get that?
Yes.
No, can we get Brown County over Noah?
Yes.
No,
Cash
over
42.
Noah.
Cash 42.
Let me get the Midas touch on it.
The fuck?
Let me get it, bro.
If all else fails, we can get WLW.
North winds surround
No, it
5
won't fail.
miles
Watch
an hour.
this.
Goshen, Newtonsville, Fayetteville, St. Martin, Chieftown, Greenbush, State Route 32, US Route 68, Springdale, Eatonton, Lake Lorelei, Day Heights, and Mount Repose. Take cover now. Move to a basement
This
or an
bitch.
interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN
And submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe
WLW will take that.
Yup, they will. Leave this on channel 7.
Okay.
And our guy kind of fell on our lap. But before we get to him, Jack Crumley, what do we got going on weather-wise? Hey guys, sorry, we just got a tornado warning now from the National Weather Service for Claremont and Brown counties. That is in effect until 3:30.
The sirens are going off in Claremont County.
Trying to get some more info on it. Right now, as far as we know, it's just a radar-indicated potential for a tornado in that area. But once again, the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning that is in effect for Claremont and Brown counties until 3:30. Pretty much every other tri-state county is under a severe thunderstorm warning until about 3:30, 3:45. It's a whole wave that's just coming through everywhere. Tens of thousands of Duke Energy customers are blacked out right now, a lot of them in Delhi and Westwood, and then a number also around the airport in parts of northern Kentucky. But the latest warning that we have now from the National Weather Service is that a tornado warning has been issued for Claremont and Brown.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for North southeastern Claremont County, northwestern Brown County, until 3:30 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Loveland, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
It's right on the phone now.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous
Yes.
to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Oh,
Damage
Jesus.
to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mount Orab, Woodville, Owensville, Goshen, Whitensville, Fayetteville, St. Martin, Casetown, Greenbush, State Route 32 at US Route 68, Springdale, Eatonton, Lake Lorelei, Big Heights, and Mount Repose. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Bud said the radio in my head is telling me I need.
What's the matter?
I can say this now that we're here. But I can say this now that we're here. And I'm gonna record this, but it's ironic how I'm in Ohio right now, July 6th. And what's the one thing we always say to each other out of spite during severe weather?
What?
I'll tell you what. Radar shows tornado debris in the air. And it actually says that! They dropped the debris bomb! They did it! Why didn't they get a notification for that shit? But yeah, here's the thing we say out of spite though. Radar shows tornado debris in the S.
Tonight, mostly cloudy.
You know what? Let me go ahead.
Radar shows tornado debris in the S. I don't know anymore, bro.
Are you still recording?
Yes,
Oh my god.
I'm putting this on weather alert mode. Oh, it's big.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Claremont County, Brown County, northwestern Adams County, southwestern Clinton County, Highland County, until 4 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Williamsburg, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hillsborough, Georgetown, Lancaster, Mount Orab, West Union, Bethel, Williamsburg, Lynchburg, Winchester, Marshall, Sardinia, Seaman, Belfast, Rocky Ford Point, Highland Holiday, Russell, Woodville, New Market, Emerald, and Russellville. Here is a hazard.
Table's out. We're out of the slight.
We're out of it.
Yeah.
Here is a hazard.
And the following counties in Kentucky may cause illness to occur. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Locations impacted include Hillsborough, Greenfield, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Marshall, Rocky Ford Point, Highland Holiday, Russell, Rocky Fork Lake, Samantha, Waynesboro, Highland County Airport, and Paint Creek State Park. Flood watch is canceled for the following.
Available and unavailable. FedEx 77, available, unavailable, 1542. Northwest Washington Boulevard. General illness. 890 Northwest Washington Boulevard. Stop on student cars, live and mass love. 1542 hours. General illness.
Dearborn, Franklin, Ohio, Ripley, and Switzerland, and the following counties. In Kentucky, the severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Claremont, southeastern Ward, southern Clinton, and west Ohio.
Yeah, this is fire.
Will expire at 3:45 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has reduced the local area and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However, the potential possible with a thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm warning will be
Medic 28, disregard on. Medic 23, you'll take it.
Robertson, and the following counties in Ohio: Brown, Butler, Claremont, Hamilton, and Warren. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Claremont County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the Warren area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning will be effective by 7.
Medic 76.
Confirming 1187 Adams is the correct address. 2 small wires in the roadway down pole to pole in pole fit structure. Break for pole number.
Go ahead with phone number.
Got some storm damage in Butler County. Power poles down on a residence.
Purple number William 95104 Charlie. William 95104 Charlie. Horizontal pole number William 6934 Robert Tom. William 6934 Robert Tom.
Clear 1545.
Utility 57.
Utility 77.
On the scene, Murdoch Junction in Dallasburg. I have nothing in the roadway. Do you have any further information?
That's a negative. That's all the information that we have.
That's close. There's no hazard here. Show me available.
You're clear available. 1545.
Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause illnesses to occur. Drink plenty of fluids.
Okay. 1142 was fine. 1181 was President of the wind, Dr. Harper, right is right. Country 6 away and steady lane, 1552.
Transformer fire.
Yikes.
for that.
Hey, Cooper wants to. You're recording, that's it.
What's up?
Kate wants to talk to you. You're gonna have to edit that out, probably.
SVR! Lewis and Mason, Kentucky, and Adams, Brown, Highland, Pike, and Scioto, Ohio, until 5 p.m. Keep it on there, bro.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Madison County, Lewis County, Southeastern Brown County, Adams County, Pike County, Southeastern Highland County, Scioto County, until 5 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marshall to near Seaman to near Ripley, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Portsmouth, Maysville, Wheelersburg, Waverly, Washington, West Union, New Boston, Piketon, Manchester, Peebles, Ripley, Aberdeen, Vanceburg, Seaman, Rosemount, Clarktown, Camp Dix, Belfast, Rome, and Lucasville. Here is a hazardous weather alert.
So, something completely unrelated. Well, actually, it is related, but I understand that, you know, ILN has, and Kentucky and Ohio has unique locations, but come here for a second. Come here. Look at this. I understand how you have Seaman right there and Camp Dix right there. Why do you have to put it that close to a warning in the locations? Why does it have to be that close? You see what I mean, right? Damn, that bus has a huge pipe. This bus must be smoking doobies.
You're clear in the area, nothing apparent out of
Look at that pipe.
56.
Alexa, turn on the bedroom lamp. Starting at 4 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Pike County, Northeastern Highland County, Rock County, until 5 p.m.
Yep, my sister's into that now.
At 3:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Highland Holiday, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Greenfield, Waverly, Leesburg, Marshall, Bainbridge, Pike Lake, Rocky Ford Point, Highland Holiday, Cynthiana, North Folk Village, Londonderry, South Salem, Pike County Airport, Mooresville, Samantha, Omega, Knockemstiff, Masseyville, and Lake Heights. Here is
God damn it!
for the follow.
God damn it! Knockemstiff! Knockemstiff!
Shut up.
Knockemstiff. Camp Dix. Seaman. WX 69.
KJY 68.